Welcome to Soldiers Hill Angus Farm. This is our hay seminar that was scheduled for today that was canceled due to the COVID restrictions. I'm Dennis Pearson. This is the famous Tim Mize from the Extension Service. At Soldiers Hill Angus Farm, we are a registered Angus and Sem-Angus seed stock operation. We do a lot of hay, and that's what today's meeting's about, is our hay production. We are very concerned about quality because about a third of our income comes from hay sales to our horse clientele. So we want to make sure that we harvest it as best we can, we want to store it as best we can, and we want to feed it so that we don't waste very much hay. So Tim and I are going to show you some of the storage methods and feeding methods that we've come up with, and we're going to move over to our new hay feeding pad that we developed this summer and go over that with you. So Tim, you tell me how you want to operate today and we'll go forward.
Well, I say let's go over and let's start the tour of the new facility you built.
All right.